2010 Physics Senior External Exam, Paper 1, Part B, Short Response, Question 5. Part A. Calculate the impact speed of an 80 kilogram person. So we have a mass of 80 who steps off a bridge 28.2 meters above the water. So we're falling a distance of 28.2. We've read, we've identified, let's draw a diagram. In this particular case here, we're 28.2 meters. We can solve this a number of different ways. I'll solve it using energy. We have gravitational potential energy here of mgh, and we have kinetic energy of 0. We add those together to get our total energy. When the person hits the water, the gravitational potential energy will be 0 because we call this our 0 in height, and therefore all of the energy will be the kinetic energy, and that will be equal to the total energy. So therefore, if we work out the gravitational potential energy here at the top, 80 multiplied by 9.8 multiplied by 28.2, we could do that calculation. So here we go with our calculation. Let's go on. 80 multiplied by 9.8 multiplied by 28.2 equals 22,108. 22,108. Now, on impact, that will be equal to the kinetic energy. 22,108 will equal a half mv squared. A half mv squared is a half times 80 times v squared. So we need to solve that then. 22,108 equals 4v squared. So v will be the square root of 22,108 divided by 4. Now I've got 22,108 there into my calculator. Divide by 4 equals, take the square root, equals the impact velocity 74.3, which is wrong. So I need to go back through my calculation and work out what I've done wrong. Apologies, I knew my answer was wrong, so I just backtracked. I had a mass of 8 instead of a mass of 80. So when I solve this now, it's 80 divided by 2, which is 40 v squared, equals 22,108. So v equals the square root of 22,108 divided by 40. And when I do that square root calculation, it's 23.5 meters per second. I knew that was a wrong answer because I'm only falling 20 meters. So therefore, knowing that it falls 5 meters in the first second, 15 in the second, it's going to be in the third second of its motion that it hits. So therefore, it can't be a velocity over 30. Part B. Would the impact speed of a 115 kilogram person differ from above? Explain your reasoning. No. Impact speed would be the same as you can neglect air resistance, as it would be negligible. Negligible difference. Both will accelerate at 9.8, so they'll fall the same distance in the same time and hit with the same velocity.